everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a homemade Greek dressing recipe. Let me take you over the ingredients to get started. The ingredients that you'll need for this Greek dressing recipe are, you'll need 1 cup of olive oil. The next ingredient that you'll need is 6 tablespoons of red wine vinaigrette. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The third ingredient that you'll need is lemon juice. You will need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. The fourth ingredient that you'll need is 2 garlic that already are minced. The next ingredient that you'll need is 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. The next ingredient that you'll need is mustard. The amount that you will need is 1 teaspoon. The last 2 ingredients that you'll need, salt and pepper. You will need 1 teaspoon of salt, and ½ teaspoon of black pepper. And now let's mix it together. Wow, I can smell the garlic. You can put this Greek dressing in any mason jar or any glass bottle would be perfect. Also, this Greek dressing, you can keep it up to 1 week in your fridge. And now let's pour it. And now let's shake it. Alright guys, now we have a Greek dressing ready in our fridge whenever we need it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, make sure your bell notification is on, leave a comment below and like this video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye!